Hello, this is going to be a video where I showcase my new tool I've developed. So in video games, usually you'll see UI switch when you change your input device. For example, if you have a keyboard and you switch to gamepad, it will show like gamepad controls. I've developed a tool that does that exactly for you. Now this will be useful for designers because they don't have to program it themselves. And also, it will just simply save time in general where you can spend that time doing something other than just UI. So to access this tool, first of all you have to do is click on settings and then click on Show Plugin Content. Once this has been checked, you'll then go down here and then select Dynamic Button UI. Now, this utility widget will be where all of the tool operates. So if you right click this and run as utility widget, you'll see a menu pop up. Now, in this menu here, you can simply select any of these sections and you can edit textures on them. For example, face buttons. If we click on this, we have here every single button that you can edit. So if, for example, we wanted to add an A button texture to like the bottom face button, like right here, if we go to images and the template textures, which will be also in the tool provided, if we go in here and select the A button, we can add this in here. And then we do the same for the other ones. So Y and X. Now we'll have all the Xbox controls sorted. However, you'll notice that we don't have any of the icons set up for the keyboard yet. And that is actually because we haven't added them yet. So all we have to do if we want to add the keyboard icons and then keyboard, here we can add, for example, the space bar for the jump button. For the B button, we can do something along the lines of E. And then for the X button, since this is a sprinting thing, we can add a shift here. Now when we go back now, you'll see the icon is yellow. So this is to represent the percentage you're currently on in this section. So if you have to go for a while and then come back, you'll be able to straight away know, okay, I've done this amount of face buttons. I can work on moving to something else. So an example of where all sprites can be added, if we go to select buttons, let's just quickly add some select things here. So tab and escape. And if we go down to the pause icons here, we can then go to here and here. Now when we go back, you'll see the select buttons have already been selected and are now green. So, to add these to our actual game, what you have to do is go into the widgets, a user widget of your choice, and you'll see right here, you've got all of your widgets right here. Then all you have to do then is just, for example, say if you want to add like a pause button, all you have to do then is just type in right select button, and then you can get it right here. If we just quickly just change the right here. Now, there's a few more things you can do with this as well. If you want to, you can actually see how this looks in the UI before you run the game. To do this, you just go down here and you can do show keyboard keys, or you can do show gamepad icons, show gamepad keys instead, which will pretty much showcase what does it look like in the HUD before you actually play the game. But for right now, let's just click that off, and then when we play the game, you'll actually see up here the escape key will switch to that instead when you have the gamepad.